girls, welcome back to Nicolette Shapewear, all things shapewear. My name is Grace, your host for today, and today we are going into my top 3 favorite shapewear to wear for the holidays. I know the holidays are coming up and you probably already picked out your dress or you're in the process of picking one out, but to make it even better, you should be wearing one of our shapewears to really get an hourglass shape. Now this video is going to be strictly on the shapewear that'll be giving you a really curvy figure that really cinches in your waist, flattens your stomach, and make sure your hips are popped out. So if you guys want to see me try on my favorite shapewear for the holidays, stay tuned. So my personal favorite out of all of the shapewear is the 8051, and I really love it because unlike other shapewear garments that are super high compression, this one is made out of lycra material, which means that it'll actually stretch. Some shapewear garments are actually really strong, high compression materials, and although they may give you a really great figure, it's not that easy to put them on. So this one I really like a lot because it only takes me a minute or so just to get it on. I don't have to struggle or breathe that hard, and it really tucks in the waist, and over here it's a much more stretchier material, so it really lets your hips come out. It doesn't compress it in any way. And then right here in the stomach area is where all of the compression is. So it's really my favorite to wear under dresses, to really highlight your curves. And the price is amazing as well. I believe it's only $34.95 on the website, so it is super affordable and I really love it. Okay, so this is the 8051. Like I said, it's super stretchy. I feel very comfortable with it on. And like I said, it really cinches in the waist right here and lets the hips out. There's no compression right here. It's very comfortable, and it has the straps right here to keep it up in place, which I really love. Let me go up close and show you the back. The back is a low back, so even if you're wearing a dress that's like under here, you won't be able to see it, which is really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and try on a holiday dress for you guys so you can see how it looks with a dress on. I'll quickly show you before. So this is how it looks with no shapewear on. See a little line going on here. Okay, so as you can see, it really smooths out my tummy area, gives me a nice shape around here, smooths out this. You don't see any bumps, bulges, or anything. And the butt is actually a thong bodysuit, so there's no butt lift, but you won't see any harsh panty lines or anything like that, so it's really nice. And I'm ready to go to my Thanksgiving or Christmas party, and I feel amazing. And I won't feel super pudgy after I eat, which is always amazing. So the NS 198 is also a great one to wear underneath your dresses. And my favorite part about this garment is actually that you don't have to take the whole thing off when you're using the restroom. Some shapewear you have to manually just take out the whole bodysuit and you end up being a little like too naked in the bathroom. But for this one, it actually has a zipper on the crotch, so you can use the restroom very easily. This one is completely strapless, which is great to wear if you're wearing like a backless dress or a dress that just goes really low on the back. You won't be able to detect this. What I usually like to do is tuck it under my bra so you won't really see any lines or anything like that. And then these also have some really nice steel bones in the front and in the back, to really make sure that it doesn't roll down, which is a problem that a lot of other shapewear has that you might get at Target or Walmart or wherever you go to usually get cheaper shapewear. And these also have like the extra silicone bands, so it really stays put in your skin and doesn't roll down. I really love that. My other favorite part about this garment is that it has a butt lifter, which is really nice if you're wearing like a tighter bodycon dress during the parties. It really makes your bum stand out and look really round and perky, which I love. And then of course it has really high tummy control. It ends up about right here, and I'm gonna try it on right now. So now I have the NS 198 on. This is a size small. I'm usually a 30-inch in the waist and then a 39 in the hips. And I'm wearing a size small, by the way, just for any of your reference. And the 8051, I was also wearing a size small. So this one's a little bit harder and trickier to put on because it is made of a different material. It's actually made of power net material, but it's a butt lifter version. And let me go up close. You see how it really hugs everything. And then the great part about this is that it accentuates your butt a lot since the butt lifter is there. And it is completely backless, so you won't be able to tell if you're wearing shapewear on, if your dress just happens to be a low back or open back dress. And it really creates a beautiful figure and has some nice lace detailing here, so you won't be able to see any harsh lines if you're wearing a dress. Alright, now I'm wearing the dress. It looks really great, especially this area I see is more pronounced than it was with the 8052 shapewear, which I wasn't wearing any butt lifter, it was just a thong. So this one actually really makes your booty stand out even more. And as you can see, you can only see my bra. You don't see the shapewear at all, it's completely invisible. Now I'm trying on, like I said, the Rolls Royce of all the fajas, which is the NS 66. This is made of completely power net material and it has 2 sets of hooks. Right now I'm on the first hook, and as you can tell, it really cinches in my waist here and sucks in all of my tummy fat. It looks really great, and the butt lift that these give you are unreal. Literally, it's amazing. I'm going to try on this dress next. I'm just showing you really quickly without any shapewear. This is just a basic bodycon average holiday dress with little red detailing. This is me without any shapewear. And now let's try the last shapewear garment on. So this is how it looks with the bodycon dress. It gives a nice figure, sucks in all of the stomach fat. This one is really amazing. Like, you really can't tell that I have anything. It makes my stomach look really flat, makes my hips look wider, and the booty really pop and stand out. And as you can see, it is completely invisible underneath this simple holiday dress. And now we could go eat as much as we want and not have a little bulge sticking out. So that's really great. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and that you found the shapewear that you need for your holiday dress to really feel and look your best for this Christmas and this Thanksgiving and New Year's. I'll see you guys in my next one. And if you like this video and you want to know all about shapewear, from waist trainers, butt lifters, mom journey, how to lose that patch, or anything that has to do with shaping your body to be the most beautiful self and to really get the curves that you deserve, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see our weekly videos, make sure you click that notification bell. You get a notification every time we post a video. Make sure you leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!